Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to make your Facebook account private. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're on the app, tap on the three-line menu in the upper right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down and select Privacy Checkup. Here, you'll find several options to customize your privacy settings. Just select who can see what you share. From there, tap on Continue to proceed with the process. Then, you can adjust each option separately to make them private or public, including your email, birthday, relationship status, friends list, and more. Once you've selected your preferences, go to the next step, where you can set the default audience, adjust your stories, and limit past posts. In the last step, you have the option to block certain friends on Facebook if you wish. Once you've made your selections, tap on Next. And that's it! Your Facebook account is now set to private according to your preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.